Here's what no one tells about IKEA. IKEA changed the furniture game by making stylish, functional design accessible to everyone. Here's how they keep prices low without sacrificing quality. Flat pack furniture reduces shipping and production costs. Product design makes products efficient, stylish, and easy to use. Sustainable practices keep costs down while being eco-friendly. One perfect example, the lag table, a minimalist, sturdy, and ultra-affordable design that fits in almost any space, proving that simplicity and cost efficiency can go hand in hand. IKEA proves that great design doesn't have to be expensive.